Car is starting out fine. Everything working now. Change this box and this box. This box is behind the cluster, so you gotta change this box. And if you got an extra key aside, work out much better. You save money in your pocket if you have the key for the fuse box. If you go to the junkyard, you find the fuse box and the module. Just change these and the car will start. See, car running good. The keys in here somewhere. The rain is falling, so you got that, but the car drive fine. See? Everything working fine. Just gotta reset the engine light, tire pressure, and all of that. But at least the car start. Yeah. Car start up fine. Radio works. AC works. Everything works. Earlier nothing wasn't working. So that's it. Any problem, leave in a comment. And just hit me up. Any problem you got. That's it. See, key works fine. I don't need to do nothing more else.